Merry fucking Christmas, bitches! To get the morning started off right, we gotta pour ourselves a nice, boozy coffee.
Let's make this fucking pizza!
The first thing we're gonna start off with is some onion. The next ingredient is the tomatoes. Now we're just gonna pop these onions in the sauce, followed by a few sprigs of fresh basil. We're gonna hit this with a teaspoon of oregano, a couple red pepper flakes, a little bit of flavor enhancing salt. Then we're gonna peel our garlic cloves. Stir this pot up. Simmer this on medium-low heat, anywhere from half an hour to an hour. I'm just looking for the consistency that I prefer.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere I go.
We can open some Christmas presents now. It's a reindeer! Fuck yeah! And for my next bit, I'm going bougie on you bitches. This is the part where you might start smelling things. Silent night.
Mother and child.
I don't need my mom. I can cook for myself. I can drink. I can be merry. Once you're done cooking the sauce, take the onions and you just discard them. And then you also take the basil sprigs and you discard them as well. Let's cut some mushrooms. I'm gonna grab my sauce, and I'm just gonna gently, hold on. Actually, I need to grate my cheese.
God damn it!
So we're gonna take our cheese grater, our provolone, and our mozzarella. Now, the mozzarella is the most important cheese of them all. It's gonna give you a nice browning, but the provolone is gonna give you a lot more flavor. We're gonna grab our crust. We're gonna grab our sauce. Spread that sauce on there sparingly. Pizza is the sexiest thing that I have ever seen.